Welcome to How to Do One Step Sparring for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Ilsusik Deryang, also known as One Step Sparring. Ilsusik Deryang, Sip Oban, Sik Ban, 15 and 16. Again, the center line attack to the face. They're coming in straight with a punch. I'm going to move offline to the left as before. This time it's going to be more of an active front stance. And inside outside block, grab the arm. Aptore chagi round kick. Up chagi side kick to the knee. And then Sunpak, top of the wrist, kidney strike. Inside outside sweeping motion. And tulop chundan kong kyuk. As I draw back, I'm going to do Suro, Kong Kyuk, and Yak Suro to the knee. I'm going to take a knee or get really low and sweep through, take their knee out. And do it on the other side. Again, moving offline. You can mantis grip this or grab. Round kick, side kick to the knee, top of the wrist to the kidney, clear the hand, middle punch, and then knife hand to the knee, ridge hand to the knee, and you're done. From the other perspective, your perspective, I'm going to move off to the left. Block, kick, kick, kidney, center, knee shot. Okay, again, to the right, move off, round side, kidney shot, middle, and knee shot. And that is Ilsusik Deryang. Sip Oban, Sip Yukban. And that is One Step Sparring, 15 and 16. Be sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button right there. And ring that bell for new video notifications. And the next video will be 17 and 18. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.